Mastering idiomatic expressions. Unraveling, be all over the map. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English idiom that might sound a bit confusing at first. Be all over the map. This phrase is a colorful way to describe a situation or a way of thinking, and understanding it will definitely add flair to your English communication. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to clear up any confusion. The phrase, be all over the map, doesn't involve geography, despite what you might think at first. Instead, it's used to describe a situation or thought process that is disorganized, scattered, or lacking a clear focus or direction. It's as if the ideas or topics are scattered across a map, not concentrated in one area, making it hard to follow or understand the main point. Understanding the origins of idiomatic expressions can often help us remember them better. The phrase, be all over the map, likely comes from the idea of someone's thoughts or discussions moving from one topic to another. Much like someone's eyes might wander over a map without focusing on one specific location. This expression captures the essence of disorganization and randomness. Now, let's look at how to incorporate this phrase into your everyday English. You can use be all over the map in both formal and informal contexts, although it's more common in casual conversation. Here are a few examples. I tried to follow his argument, but he was all over the map. The meeting was all over the map, so we didn't accomplish much. Her tastes in music are all over the map, from classical to heavy metal. When you hear someone use this phrase, it's important to pay attention to the context to understand if they're referring to a lack of physical organization, such as in a messy room, or a more abstract sense, like a conversation or thought process. Most often, it's used in the latter sense. Understanding idioms like be all over the map can enrich your English vocabulary and make your communication more vibrant. Remember, the key to mastering idioms is not just to memorize them but to practice using them in context. We hope this video has shed some light on this colorful expression. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.